Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is 8:20. No, sorry, it's 8:42 on December 26, 2024, coming into 2025 hot and real quick. We're going to start our daily analysis off with good old dollar yen, and it didn't get to the retrace level that I wanted around 156. I think I had it at 156.70-ish. Didn't really happen. This is a 4-hour chart, but as you can see the 34 bar high, no 21 bar low yet, wave confirmed. If you haven't seen the Fibonacci wave count video, go check it out. It's a really good video. I didn't clean the chart up yet. It's just still there, so I figured I'd point to that video so you could see it. So dollar yen is basically attempting to get through this recent high that we had at 157.93. There is a short-term light resistance at 158, the figure itself. Right now, as it stands, dollar yen on the day has to hold above. Let's move this up to, let's see something here. Right around 157.22 is the level it has to hold above to continue showing strength for the day. There is another resistance point on the day at 158.30. I'm going to put that one up right here. 158.30. It's close enough. 158.31. If it breaks 158.31 today, it's really on its way to like 158.80. And it sure is like showing strength right now. It looks like the guys at the banks are, some of the treasurers are saying, hey, we need to get long dollar yen today or something, you know. But 158.30 is our next resistance point. If we could break this 157.22 level, we're basically probably heading back down to this area right here. I would think it's a little bit higher. It's like right in this area, 157, this zone right here. Now, a break of that brings us back down to 156.14. I don't really see that happening today. It looks like it's a little bit bid. We're probably going to attempt that 158, the figure. We could bounce off of it, come back down, trade, but the most important point on the day is this 157.22 level. It's got to hold above that to show strength. So let's move on to good old. So really, it's kind of bid right now. Let's move over to sterling dollar. This one is really just doing the same thing it's been doing for the past 3 months. It's still now consolidating. Really, it needs to get over 126.13 to show any type of strength, any type of recovery. If it can't do that, it's drifting slowly lower. A break of 124, say 85 today, is going to drive us down to like the 124.25 level. Sterling's like just has no muzzle velocity at all. So even like any type of rally is a good area to basically get short again. I would think, you know, around this 126.13 level would be a good area to get short. The stop would have to be above the 126.60. But it is in a bearish tone. Good old euro dollar. Let's move on to euro dollar. Flying through these today because I'm a little bit late to the party. All right, euro dollar. Okie dokie. It broke this level. It never made it down to the 103. Well, it did. It broke to 103.51. That's probably old. Hang on. Let me see where we are right now. Yeah, this is the critical price for the day. 103.50. If we break 103.50, we're going back down to the 103.20 level. If that breaks, we're looking at 102.80. Now, the only way this thing shows any type of strength is if we can get above this 104.50. That's some heavy-duty resistance up there. If it breaks 104.50, perhaps 105.10ish, maybe back up to this level up here. Oh, that's 104.80. Hang on a second here. Here it is right there. What is this price point? 104.82. Okay, 104.49. Yeah, right here is 104.82 is a good resistance level. Let me move this chart over. You can see all this up in here. There's a lot of people. This was the breakdown. There's a lot of people that are probably caught here that would like to unload euro dollar up here. It's in a downward movement right now. Nothing's really changed for it. So let's get over to sterling yen. Okay, let's get out of drawing mode. Let's go over to sterling yen. Okay. Sterling yen is byproduct of dollar yen. As dollar yen's moving up and sterling staying pinned, as I said before, the sterling yen basically is moving slightly higher because the velocity of dollar yen moving up, sterling staying stable is dragging the cross higher. We haven't broken out of that bearishness. We're in a neutral tone in sterling yen, and right now the point that it needs to stay above is, what's this point here? Well, no, that's too far away. Where is it? Right there. It's got to stay above 106, 196, say 92 to show any type of strength to get us to break higher to this 199.10. It's all going to depend on dollar yen. Dollar yen's been the key for months, and it's still the key today. So you got to watch that dollar yen. If dollar yen starts moving and you're seeing sterling pinned, you got a good potential to get a long sterling yen. Not so much because sterling strength, but because of the weakness of the yen. So you may be better off just taking a long dollar yen trade. That would probably be better. Now, if we break this 190, say 692 level, we're trading back down to this low bar close. This is a 4-hour chart down here, and a break of that brings us back down to 194.16. Good old euro yen. Euro yen breaking up, okay, because dollar yen and euro dollar staying pinned at 104, the figure right now. I would have to move this level up. It's got to hold above 163. Say, let's see something here. 163.52. I'm looking just in this consolidation. I'm looking at this high bar's close right there. It's got to hold above that in order to continue strength. Where's the next target on the upside of this thing? Hang on, let's take a look. Let me look at my volatility levels. Next level of resistance is right at 164.49. It's a level. If it breaks 164.49, it's got resistance 165 to figure. Right up there. Now, a break of this 163.50 is going to drive us right back down to 162.71. Perhaps we get to 162.12, on an extreme. Now, that all depends if dollar yen basically, if they decide to sell off dollar yen, or if they decide to sell the continentals. So, if they start to hit sterling really hard as dollar yen rallies, and they start selling euro dollar very, very hard, it's going to push the crosses down. So there we have the analysis for December 26, 2024. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. I want to build a big trading community. Looking forward to trading with you guys in my trading room. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.